At Aplus Energy, we believe in brighter, cleaner, and more sustainable future. My name is Aida, the CEO of Aplus AI Inverter, and I'm proud to introduce you to our company, where innovation meets reliability with solar energy, smart technology solutions.
Aplus Energy was born out of a passion for clean energy and the need to provide reliable, cost-effective power solutions for homes and businesses. We saw a gap in the market, people struggling with high electricity costs, unreliable power, and limited access to modern energy solutions. So we decided to change that.
What sets us apart is our commitment to excellence. We offer top quality solar installations, CCTV installations, smart home automations, and routine maintenance. But beyond technology, we value.
Our customers are at the heart of everything we do. We listen to your needs, provide expert consultations, and deliver solutions that fit your budget and lifestyle. Every project we handle is a partnership. We are here to support you long after the installation.
At Aplus Energy, we just don't install solar panels. We empower lives, businesses, and communities with sustainable energy. Let's create a future where power is not a privilege, but a right for everyone. Join us on this journey and let's power the future together. Thank you. Go solar with Aplus Energy.